To adjust date and time settings on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find the additional settings. Open them and then click on date and time. That way you'll be able to see all of the settings, and first of all we have 24 hours format. You can switch between a 24 hours clock or a 12 hours clock. Just turn it off to have 12 hours and turn it on to have 24 hours. Then there's the date and time. You can set it automatically, which will adjust the date and time automatically when it's on, and when you turn it off you can put manual date and manual time. I would say that keeping it on automatic is best, because you can avoid some issues on your device with time synchronization. Then there's the set time zone automatically that you can turn off and on, and it's the same story. You can change the time zone manually if you disable it, but I would recommend to put it on. You can also use location to help determine time zone correctly based on your region. There's also dual clock options, which if you have a clock on your home screen, then you will see two clocks from two different regions. So you can set a second clock to different time zone if you like. And that is basically everything here. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.